Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to one of the most powerful, and completely free, tools for systematic and scoping reviews, Rayyan. If you're a graduate student, researcher, or healthcare professional working on evidence-based projects, this video will save you hours of work. Rayyan is a web-based and mobile application designed to help researchers screen articles for systematic reviews, scoping reviews, and meta-analyses. It uses artificial intelligence, tagging, and filtering tools to make the screening process faster, more organized, and more transparent. It's especially useful when you're dealing with hundreds or thousands of citations. Step 1. Creating your review. To get started, go to Rayyan.ai and create a free account. Once you're logged in, click Create New Review, give your project a title, and add a short description. This becomes your workspace for importing and screening studies. Step 2. Importing your search results. Next, export your search results from databases like PubMed, Scopus, Cinol, or Web of Science. Rayyan accepts RIS, BibTeX, and EndNote XML files. Upload them, and Rayyan will automatically detect and remove duplicates for you. Step 3. Adding collaborators. If you're working with a team, you can invite co-reviewers. Rayyan allows blinded screening, which means reviewers can make independent decisions without influencing each other. Step 4. Screening articles. This is where Rayyan really shines. You can mark each study as Include, Exclude, or Maybe. You can also add tags to explain your decisions, for example, wrong population, not peer-reviewed, or duplicate. Rayyan's AI will start learning from your decisions and suggest articles that are likely to be included or excluded. This can speed up your screening significantly. Step 5. Resolving conflicts. Once all reviewers finish screening, Rayyan highlights any conflicts. You can compare decisions side by side, and resolve disagreements quickly. This is extremely helpful for prisma reporting. Step 6. Exporting your results. When you're done, export your included studies for full text review or data extraction. Rayyan also provides files that help you build your prisma flow diagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your classmates or research team.